Using Azure Synapse PowerShell is an efficient way to manage and automate Azure Synapse Analytics. Resources. Azure Synapse Analytics is a limitless analytics service that brings enterprise data warehouse capabilities to the cloud. To get started with Azure Synapse PowerShell, you need to install the Azure Synapse module, which is part of the Azure PowerShell module. You can install it by running the install module command. Once installed, you can use Azure Synapse PowerShell to create and manage Azure Synapse resources such as workspaces, databases, and pipelines. You can also use it to deploy and manage Azure Synapse artifacts like notebooks, scripts, and data sources. One of the key benefits of using Azure Synapse PowerShell is automation. You can automate repetitive tasks, such as creating and deploying resources, by writing scripts that use Azure Synapse PowerShell CMD-lets. This saves time and reduces the risk of human error. Another benefit is consistency. Azure Synapse PowerShell allows you to manage resources consistently across different environments, such as development, testing, and production. This ensures that your resources are configured correctly and consistently, which is essential for reliable and efficient analytics operations. Best practices for using Azure Synapse PowerShell include using source control to manage your scripts, testing your scripts thoroughly before deploying them to production, and using secure authentication methods to connect to Azure Synapse resources. In summary, Azure Synapse PowerShell is a powerful tool for managing and automating Azure Synapse Analytics resources. It provides a flexible and efficient way to create, deploy, and manage resources, and it helps ensure consistency and reliability across different environments. By following best practices and using Azure Synapse PowerShell effectively, you can streamline your analytics operations and get more value from your Azure Synapse investments. Key concepts to keep in mind when using Azure Synapse PowerShell include modules, CMD-lets, scripts, and authentication. Modules are libraries of related CMD-lets. CMD-lets are individual commands. Scripts are files that contain multiple CMD-lets. And authentication is the process of verifying your identity to access Azure resources. Practical examples of using Azure Synapse PowerShell include creating a new Azure Synapse workspace, deploying a notebook to a workspace, and automating the creation of a database. By using Azure Synapse PowerShell, you can automate these tasks and more, freeing up time to focus on higher-level analytics tasks. Overall, Azure Synapse PowerShell is an essential tool for anyone working with Azure Synapse Analytics. It provides a powerful and flexible way to manage and automate resources, and it helps ensure consistency and reliability across different environments. By using Azure Synapse PowerShell effectively, you can get more value from your Azure Synapse investments and streamline your analytics operations.